everybody. Today we are going to make this yummy, delicious burger. Let's get started. First, let's marinate our chicken. I've taken 500 grams of boneless chicken. Oregano and rosemary is optional. 500 grams of chicken will give you about 5 burgers. First, we shall prepare the buttermilk. To half a cup of milk, I've added 1 tablespoon of vinegar and leave it aside. Meanwhile, let's add all the other ingredients to the chicken. Add a teaspoon of salt and combine all the ingredients well. Now let's add our buttermilk. Store this in an airtight container and freeze it for about 6 to 7 hours, or even you can leave it overnight. I usually marinate the chicken a day before. Let this freeze. Meanwhile, we'll prepare a flour mixture. You will need 1 cup of maida, half a cup of corn flour, chili powder, ginger garlic powder, fennel seeds, half a teaspoon, pepper powder, coriander powder, baking powder. measured ingredients to the flour and add 1 teaspoon of salt. For the burger sauce, I have taken 1 cup of veg mayonnaise. To that I am adding chili powder, pepper, tomato ketchup, and again garlic powder 1 teaspoon. Let the marinated chicken sit at room temperature for 30 minutes before frying. If you start frying it straight from the freezer, the temperature of the oil will drop and your chicken won't cook evenly. And it will absorb more oil. That means no crispy fries. Rub the flour using your hands to give a very nice coating, and then dip the chicken in ice cold water. Again dust the chicken with the flour, rub it well with your hands and dust off the excess flour. Doing so will give you that flaky texture. Heat the oil up to medium-high flame. Since I have taken a smaller pan, I am frying one at a time. Do not crowd the pan with more than 3 to 4 pieces. It is very important to maintain the oil's temperature. Too hot oil will make the exterior dark very quickly, while the inside will be still raw. Cook for 12 minutes until nicely brown. You can see how beautifully we have got the texture. So never skip that step. Now let's arrange a burger. And here our burger is ready. I enjoyed making this burger. Hope you too will. This is definitely finger licking good. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. While I enjoy my burger, bye bye until I meet you in my next video.